Hello guys, this is the coding team. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to download and install Java in your computer or laptop. First of all, go to your browser and click on the link which is given in the description. There are many versions of Java, but the most stable version is Java 11. So we will download this version. Scroll down and here you can see many download links available for different systems. I have Windows 64 system, so I am clicking here. Click on the checkbox and click the download button. It will take you to Oracle's sign-in page. If you do not have account, then create and sign in. Afterwards, download will be started. Here you can see the download is started. I have already downloaded this file, so I will not download it again. Now go to the file location where your file has downloaded. Double click on this file. Click on the next button. Again click on the next button. Next step is go to your system settings. Click on the environment variables button. Find the path variable. Click on the edit button. Now click on new. Here you have to paste the file location of this JDK file is installed. Go to C drive. Go to the program files. Click on the Java folder. Again click here and go to bin folder. After click here and copy this path. Now click on new button and paste it here. Now press the OK button. Again click on OK button. OK. Let's check the Java is successfully installed or not. Go to your command prompt. Right here Java dash version. Now you can see here command prompt is showing us Java 11 version. So it means Java is successfully installed on your computer or laptop. See you guys in the next video. Till then, happy coding.